rectangle there are length and breadth is there. So we assume length. Suppose length is equal to x and breadth is equal to y. Then area is equal to L into B is equal to xy. If the length of the rectangle is x and breadth is y, then its area is L into B, length into breadth. Now the first sentence, area of the rectangle reduced by 9. Area of the rectangle, that is xy, is reduced by 9. Area of the rectangle, that is xy, reduced by 9. Come, if length is reduced by 5, length x is reduced by 5 over, length is reduced by 5 and breadth is increased by 3. Breadth y and 3 increase over like this. So the first equation is, if length is reduced by 5, breadth is increased by 3. If we multiply these two, it becomes area. That was xy reduced by 9. अगर लेंथ 5 रिड्यूस हो जाए और ब्रेथ 3 इंक्रीज हो जाए तो जो पहले जो एरिया था वो 9 रिड्यूस हो गया. पहले एरिया कितना था? अर्लियर द एरिया वाज xy रिड्यूस बाय 9. नाउ सॉल्व इट. So x multiplied xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 5 to the 15 is equal to xy minus 9. But only simply we have multiplied. So xy cancel by this xy because this xy will go there and minus sign it will cancel. So the equation is 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 9 and plus 15. So 3x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 9 is 6. Right? This is the first equation. Now second sentence. If we increase the length by 3, if the length is increased by 3 and breadth by 2, breadth को 2 बढ़ा दो, breadth is by increased by 2. Then what happened? Then area increased by 67. Area is xy increased by 67. Check the equation. Agar if we increase the length by 3, breadth by 2, then the area is increased by 67. So multiply with xy plus 2x plus 3 into y 3y plus 3 to the 6 is equal to xy plus 67. Right? Now xy cancel xy, cancel xy. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 67 minus 6. 2x plus 3y, 67 minus 6 is 61. Equation number 2. So these are the two equations. You have to solve them, find the value of x and y. They are the length. So the question is here, you can see both the equations. 1 upon x here also, 1 upon x here also. 1 upon y and upon this we assume we write length. 1 upon x suppose it is a and 1 upon y suppose it is b. We have assumed that a and b, right? So this equation convert as 1 upon x. This 1 upon x we have taken as a, so it is a and upon 2. Here 1 upon y is b upon 3 is equal to 2. Right? A upon 2 plus b, not take the LCM. The LCM is 6. So 2, 3 that's 3a plus 2b is equal to 2. Or we can say 3a plus 2b is equal to 6 to the 12. Equation number 1. So first equation we have reduced like this. Now second reduce. If we reduce the equation number 2, it is 1 upon x, a upon 3 plus b upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. This also reduce. Now solve by LCM. 2a plus 3b upon 6 is equal to this cancel here. The equation is 2a plus 3b is equal to 13, equation number 2. So now we have these two equations. Now I am solving by elimination method. So equation number 1, we write here multiply equation number 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by 2. So this equation multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9a plus 3 2s are 6b is equal to 12 3s are 36. And equation number 2, this multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4a plus 6b is equal to 13 2s are 26. Now we have balanced b. हमने b को बैलेंस कर दिया. Both coefficients are same and sign also same, so we write subtract. Now on subtracting same time minus and minus, this cancel here. 9 minus 4, 5a is equal to 0 and 10. A is equal to 10 upon 5 is equal to 2. So the value of a is 2. Similarly, we find the value of b now. So you can see here a. What we have taken a? A is 1 upon x. So we can write 1 upon x is equal to a is equal to 2. So 1 upon x is equal to 2. Cross multiply 2. So 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 upon 2. Right? Check. So the value of x is coming 1 upon 2. Now we find the value of b, then we find y. You can write here b. So put the value of a in, put the value of a in equation number 1. इसमें लगा दो a की वैल्यू 3 into a means 2 plus 2b is equal to 12. Right? This we solve now. So 3 2 are 6 plus 2b is equal to 12. b is equal to 6 upon 2 is equal to 3. So the value of b is coming 3 and b we have taken 1 upon y is equal to b is equal to 3. So 1 upon y is equal to 3, cross multiply 2. 3y is equal to 1, so y is equal to 1 upon 3. So this is the answers. X is equal to 1 upon 2 and y is equal to 1 upon 3. Like this, by reducing, we have solved the value of